Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, yesterday I told you the story of the old man and the sea, and I told you that this novel is written by Hemingway. And today I shall share my feelings about the theme of the old man and the sea. I shall tell you what the themes may be discussed in the novel, and I shall also tell you in detail how the central idea is presented by Hemingway. So, my dear students, there may be three themes. One of them is man is not made for defeat. A man can be destroyed but not defeated, And second one is a lonely man is surrounded by the dangers and problems, desires to have company and kills to say prayers. Especially in old age, this need is the greatest. And the third theme of the novel is that struggle and effort are more important than success and achievement. So the students, in order to gain nobility in life, a person must show bravery, confidence, patience, optimism, and intelligence during the struggle. Then even prize is lost, the person has won the battle, providing himself capable of remaining raised under pressure. We know that the sharks come, attack and destroy the old man in many respects, but the old man is not defeated. The greatness of man lies not in the fruit of struggle, but in carrying out the struggle itself. Man suffers, endures, and undergoes pains, but man is one who keeps struggling and leaves the result of the struggle to God. This is the theme and philosophy in the novel. My dear students, if we say it in a very simple language, we can say that nobility, optimism, confidence, patience are the key points of the story. The old man has all these qualities. He has all other qualities other than this, but he struggles and struggles till he gets the final destiny. Though he gets the skeleton of the fish at the end, but it doesn't mean that he fails. He never fails. Indeed, he succeeded. And that skeleton, is a victory, is a trophy for him. Santiago went rather too far into the sea and hooked a marlin, a huge fish. The marlin pulled his boat under the water for 3 days. The cord across his back rubbed it hard. All along this struggle, he remained hopeful and thought of saying his prayers if he caught the fish. His memories of the boy, his baseball tournaments, successful hand wrestling with the Negro, and his dream of the lions coming to the seashore continued to give him inner joy. He at last killed marlin with his harpoon. Then the sharks started attacking and eating the flesh of the marlin fastened to his boat. He killed one of them but lost his harpoon. He felt that a man can be destroyed but not killed, and went on fighting them. He dismissed the idea that he had committed a sin in killing the Marlin, whom he loved for his bravery. He overcame his doubts through hope and faith, and finally reached Havana with the scatter of the Marlin. The paragraphs that I have described before you show that Santiago is a brave person. How does he fight with Marlin, and how does he kill the fish? He struggles and struggles until he gets cuts on his hands. And this struggle shows that man can never be defeated. And in our life, we also see that if a person wants to get some achievement, and if he fails, it doesn't mean that he is unsucceeded. Though he fails, but that failure leads him to final destination, to final achievement, and that achievement is moral. The second theme of the novel is that a lonely man surrounded by the dangers and problems. If we describe these feelings in general, we can say that a man is surrounded by the pains. We can say that a man is surrounded by problems. These problems may be of routine matters. These problems may be of some difficult one. But my dear students, we have to face, because these problems are given by Allah Almighty. And when we pray to Allah, to get rid of these problems, Allah puts mercy on us and gives us achievements. The third theme of the novel is that struggle and efforts are more important than success and achievement. And I have already told my students that struggle and effort is important. Struggle and efforts are important. Try, and try. And one day you will be succeeded. One day you will get the success. In simple words, my dear students, I can say that a man should keep struggle. A man should continue his race. And if he continues his race, he is succeeded in getting his destination and destiny. And that's all. Thank you much.